na kahit 1 month pa lang yung nahuhulog mo sa insurance policy mo, kung maaksidente ka, your family will still receive millions of pesos. Paano nangyari yon? Kasi sa insurance, hindi lang sa amount ng binayaran mo ang tinitingnan. Ang pinaka-importante ay ang coverage na nakasaad sa policy mo. Imagine this, you sign the policy, you've been paying premiums for just a month, and suddenly something unexpected happens, like an accident. Even if it's your first month, your family will still receive the death benefits, the million of pesos promised in your contract. Why? Kasi insurance is a contract. And once na na-approve yung policy mo, you're already covered based on the terms and conditions, regardless of how long you've been paying. This is how life insurance works. It's designed to protect your loved ones no matter what. Ano ibig sabihin nun? It means your family will get financial security whether you've been paying for months or just started. So kung iniisip mo pa kung dapat bang magpa-insured ka, think about the protection it gives to your family, even from the first month of paying premiums. So kung hindi mo pa naisip mag-start ng insurance, ngayon ang time para mag-secure ng future mo at ng pamilya mo. Click mo lang yung blue basket, lagay mo insurance at yung age mo, o kaya message mo lang ako para masimulan na natin yung insurance mo.